Don't exit. It took me 41 minutes to do question 6. You've got to be kidding me. Look at how much stuff I had to do for question 6. Look at this. I had to do all of the journal entries with periodic system, and then I had to do all the entries with the perpetual system. And they gave me so many things to record. And I do so many calculations. Look at, this is all of the stuff I had to do for question 6. There. I have now closed it off. Good job. This is all the work I've had to do for the whole assignment. And 6 takes up basically most of it. So. And also I looked ahead and it looks like, the next 2 questions are quote-unquote multi-step questions, so they better not take as long as 6, but they might. You'd watch as it's like a clone of question 6, but it's with different numbers. Doesn't look like it is, thank goodness. This looks easier. And this is due by 10 p.m. I think I have plenty of time to finish it. I'm going to have to do another assignment for another class due at 12 a.m. Well, let's do it at 11:59 p.m. Stop. Inventory information discloses the following information. The balance. You purchased this and sold this. June 1, 10, 11, 15, 20, 27. Compute cost of goods sold and ending inventory. Okay, this isn't as bad. I feel like I've done this already. I feel like I've done all this stuff already. But, alright, so June 1, 10, 11. So, June 1. How many are there going to be? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. I right-clicked. I'm stupid. Who would have thought I'd be using Excel this much? I never used to use Excel for my accounting homework. I always used to just do it on pen and paper. But I figured out over the course of the semester that it's actually easier to use Excel because it has automatic stuff, calculations. That was funny. No, date, not time. Why does it have to... I don't care, just June 1. June 1th. Oh, what are the numbers? 10, 11, 15. Of course it's automatically. You know what? Screw that. Format cells as just text. That's fine. Just text. That's it. That's all I want. Hello? I typed June 1. Stop lagging. Why is my computer lagging for no reason? Dude, really? That's not what I typed. I didn't type that number in. I typed June 1. June what? 10, 11. June 11. This is so annoying. 15, 20, 27. Oh, jeez. Are you serious? Dude, it's gonna mess them up again. It's gonna mess them up again. Come on. Come on. Look, it's gonna mess them up again. Stop. June 20th. June. This is the most annoying thing on the planet. Balance. Sold, purchased, sold, purchased. I messed up. Which one did I forget? One, 10, 11, 15, 20, 27. What's going on here? Which one am I missing? Balance, sold, purchased. Balance, sold, purchased, sold. Oh, idiot. I put an extra purchased in because I'm stupid. Okay. So we have units and cost, or whatever price. It says balance 297 at 17. How about we just do the unit, all of the units first? 203, 795. 15th, 498, 500, 303. Watch as I mess this up. 297, 203, 795, 498, 500, 303. 1742. 21, 44. Stop blank. 23, 47. Okay, so they have a specific way to do this. They have a way that's more efficient than what I did. If I go up, wait, did I say, is this FIFO? And FLIFO. So this is the inefficient method I was using. The efficient method they were using before, what was that for? Where did they get 43,900? Where did they get the number 43,900? This is hilarious. I think it's because they took the number. Wait. I think what they were doing is using the number from up here. So where's 43,900? Where's that? You skipped a step. Screw you. It's all the way up here. Are you kidding me? Total goods available for sale. Dude, they literally did it all the way up in a different example? God. Gotta be kidding me, dude. So the total goods available for sale equals the beginning inventory plus purchases of this, and it equals this. Okay, so that's where you got it from. Okay. So if you use FIFO, and all you're trying to do is calculate inventory and cost of goods sold, ending inventory and cost of goods sold, then completely ignore the question when it asks you to do it as either perpetual or periodic, because they both come up with the same result. And I think the periodic is going to be simpler than the perpetual to calculate. So if you're doing a FIFO, you're doing a FIFO. Like, what's relevant information? Let's go all the way up here. So ending inventory, so this is going to equal wait a minute. Okay, so ending inventory is going to equal this minus this plus this minus this plus this minus this. Watch as my entire answer is wrong because I messed up that one calculation. So the cost of goods available for sale is equal to beginning inventory plus purchases. Wait. No, we'll do goods available for sale. Wait. So all you do is beginning inventory cost plus purchases. So you do equals this plus this plus this, and then you subtract something to get what? So you deduct ending inventory to get cost of goods sold. Wait, so they don't use a complicated method. Okay, so they don't. You only need to do the complicated method for part one because you only need to do the complicated method for part one. So part one, let's see, this is going to be FIFO. Also, I should probably move all this over because it's going to be FIFO, so we'll just label it as FIFO. We'll just go over here. Oh. Okay, never mind. Here, we'll just do... Here, we'll put FIFO on this side here. So the cost of it is going to be so since it's FIFO, you start at the end, weirdly, for this part, equals this plus, what is 588 minus 500? It's 88. So 88 times that. Oh, no, this one. So that should be ending inventory cost. How did this happen? I shouldn't get a negative number for this. Hello? Oh wait, I'm stupid. You do this minus this. Cost of goods available for sale minus ending inventory cost should equal cost of goods sold. And you're using periodic method. This is such fun. So instead of doing complicated work to get this, all you have to do is this minus this, and you're good. So equals this minus this. So it saves you a little bit of work, I think, if you do that. So we have this This is the answer, and this is the answer. Okay, so what we're trying to do here. So I did FIFO first, weirdly. They wanted you to do LIFO first? Why? Cost of goods sold. Also, they have you do it out of order. This is stupid. Okay. Ending inventory is 13,348. Cost of goods sold is 19,896. Please be right. Now I have to do LIFO. This shouldn't be that hard. Now, for LIFO, $43,900 is the same number that they used both times. But the only problem is the ending inventory should end up being a different number than before. So you start from the beginning. You start from the beginning to calculate ending inventory. So that's the only difference. It's not that hard. It's really not. So just do ending inventory. So we already know that the units is 588. So we do equals, start from the beginning here. This plus this plus 580. I can even just do this minus this minus this times this. That's complicated. I love complicated stuff. So I think that makes sense. I don't know. Undo. What did you just do? Okay. I was pushing control. Oh. So apparently this equals this minus this. Oh, how did that happen? Purchase it. This doesn't feel right. Hold on. The cost of goods sold should be higher. If the prices are increasing, then it should be higher. How did this happen? Ah, probably got it wrong. What did I do wrong anyways? You're subtracting the ending inventory number because the cost of goods available for sale should not change. 43,900 in this one. And 43,900 here. The ending inventory, if prices are increasing, your cost of goods sold should be higher. But I got a lower cost of goods sold. How does that work? How did that happen? I think I might. I'm just going to type my answers and see. 5. Ending inventory 15,423. This doesn't make sense. 17,821. Of course. So the LIFO is wrong. Come on. Was it wrong? Come on. This should not be wrong. I've typed in my wrong answers here. Now I'll redo the question. Let's try again. I'm just going to do it all again. equals so you start at the beginning because it's LIFO. When you're ending your inventory, you start at the beginning here. So you equals this plus this. So now you've gotten yourself all the way up to 500. Now you plus, this should be the same calculation, plus 88 times this. I got the same answer again, 15,423. How is that wrong? How? How is it wrong? How? This should not be wrong. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I know why it's wrong. God, man, imagine if I make that mistake on the test. This plus... Now, what's 588 minus... this times purchased this. Okay, that should be correct. There, that should be correct. So ending inventory 11,160. $22,084. That was part A out of C. Now, perpetual inventory. So LIFO, now we have to calculate LIFO for perpetual inventory method. How do we do that? You know what's funny? I think I know what's happening here. I think I know. What you do is you do the more complicated method. Okay, so these were periodic. Now we're going to do perpetual. So basically it should be pretty simple. All you do is, we'll just, so basically what you do is kill yourself. I mean, your ending inventory should be the same. Oh, they say you get a different answer. How is that possible? No, what on earth? Okay, we just have to think through this. Okay, so your ending inventory. How is this result in a different result? How? I don't get it. This should not result differently. This doesn't make any sense. Hello? Okay, you matched each withdrawal with immediately preceding purchases. That's kind of bullcrap, the way they did that. You just sold 4,000. You just sold 4,000. So they only recorded one sale. Okay, what about ending inventory balance? You just sold 4,000. So 2,000 at 4. I think what you have to do is keep track of the balance of the cost here. Okay, so I'm just going to go all the way to the end. Okay, so balance, you have 5049. Now you have sold an amount. You just sold 203. You just sold 203 of the preceding amount. So you sold how does this work? How, dude? No. You do equals this. You sold this at a price of this. So, oh god. Hold on. No. Equals this minus. You're subtracting. It's subtracting. Because when you sell stuff, you subtract. Okay. That minus this times this. Wait. For ending, you have to go to the beginning again. Do you have to keep track of the number of units too? This is awesome. Oh. equals this minus this times this. Purchased equals this plus this equals, okay, sold, so you this minus this times this, so I ended up with the final balance. Okay, so this should be the final balance of my flow here. So 12,366. Please be right, dang it. Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did not think I was going to get that right. It's actually not as complicated as I thought, because all you have to do is just kill me. Oh, okay. Perpetual costs are computed at the time of each withdrawal. What is the gross profit if the inventory is valued at FIFO? I feel like it should be. We already calculated FIFO information. We already calculated the fact that we have cost of goods sold of this. So we have sales revenue is equal to, we already calculated all of our sales revenue for each individual sale, so we just do this plus this plus this, and then cost of goods sold. Well, we already calculated FIFO, cost of goods sold. It's right here. It's equal to this. So gross profit is this minus this. So 24,783. This is taking 5 years. Oh, it's good. Okay, we're good. Look how long number 7 took. It took 37 minutes. This is insane. This is insane how long these are taking. I've taken a total of 1 hour and 26 minutes to do this assignment so far. Man, it's a good thing I got out of class early. What if I may not have been able to finish this if I didn't get out of class extremely early today. Shut up. What is that? It's a stupid notification that's useless. took me 37 minutes to do question 7. It took me 41 minutes to do question 6. Dude, look at this. That's all the work I did for question 7. Look at all that. This is all the work I've been doing for this whole assessment. This is probably going to be number 8 now. Okay. No. I hate my life. No. I don't think they're going to make us do a million calculations to figure out LIFO. Or to figure out all that stuff I did in the last question. Because they already gave us the answer for that. So LIFO reserve. I forgot how to do LIFO reserve and stuff like that. Where, how do you do this? Okay, so here's an illustration. This is the exact type of thing we need to do. So, January 1st, the allowance to reduce inventory to LIFO whiz, 20,000. Now it should be 50,000. So, your LIFO effect is 30,000. Okay, but this is not exactly analogous to this question. Wait a minute. Wait just a minute here. Hold on. Wait. Stop. So all we have to do is calculate what's the difference between those two, and that should be the LIFO reserve or something like that. So, number 8, fun, times fun. LIFO reserve. So this should be equal to yes, 2, 625, 900 minus 1, 487, 200. Save. So the LIFO reserve should be this. So 1,138, 700, and then it was at 1 Jan 1. Oh, January 1. This is the most annoying thing ever. Why can't you just... Okay, I know why it's doing that. It's because I set the whole entire document to be... Oh. And this just... Can I just automatically change it to not a number? Just let me do it. Instead of having to right-click, format cell. Come on. The Jan 1 was 104011. So you must effect is this minus this. So 98589. Oh, how is that wrong? Come on. It's just this minus that other one. Hate my life. Why did I type 00? Oh, I hate myself. 98700. Dude, watch. Watch as it's still wrong. Okay. Oh, we have to make it B still. What do you do to adjust it? So you just do cost of goods sold, allowance to reduce inventory to LIFO. And you just do the 98. Okay, so here's the thing. If you're reducing it, if you're increasing it, then you do that. Yes. 98700. Then we're done. We're done with that one. That question only took me 6 minutes to do. And these last two questions are drop downs, which implies that they're easier. How is this a drop down? I feel like this is easy. Wait. It's just simple addition and subtraction. Isn't it? Oh, come on. How do I do this? They don't even have any problems related to this stuff? Oh, come on. How do I do this? They don't even have an example. They don't even have an example in the book. Okay, the amount of error. Their ending inventory was wrong. Their ending inventory was understated by 20,000 or by 10,000, so that means their cost of goods sold. Oh, weird. Okay, so they understated their ending inventory in 2019. In this, oh, hello. Come on, man. Come on. Dude, so how do I fix this? How? They don't explain it in the book because they're stupid. Wait. No, yes, cost of goods sold ends up being wrong. See? Look. This is wrong. It's supposed to be 40,000. It's 50,000. It was supposed to be... Okay, so... So cost of goods sold 2019 should be... Because according to this, they accidentally have ending inventory understated. They understated it by 10,000. Therefore, this is overstated by 10,000. So it has the exact opposite effect. It has the exact opposite effect on cost of goods sold. You know what's hilarious? Oh! Come on, dude. Dude, what on earth? Okay, wait. They don't want you to calculate this. So, it's understated in 2019. So what happens is it causes the 2019's cost of goods sold to be overstated by that amount, and it causes 2020's cost of goods sold to be understated by that amount. So, therefore, an understatement of inventory. So an understatement of inventory results in 2019 results in an understatement of cost of goods sold in 2020. Therefore, an overstatement in 2019 will result in an overstatement in 2020. So, adjust. So you, first of all, so add, since they overstated it by this, add this to the amount of cost of goods sold. Wait, wait, but it's exactly the opposite. Logic is logic. I hate everything. I hate everything. Wait, so since... But you do the opposite to get the correct answer. So that means you subtract... Oh, jeez. This is melting my brain. That was funny. What? Do I seriously? So due to this understatement of 10,000, this amount is understated by 10,000. To fix it, you do the opposite. You add 10,000. So in this case, you do the opposite again because it's overstated. So you subtract this amount from cost of goods sold. So we actually subtract 105,590. And then you also subtract, but then it's the exact opposite when it's in the same year. When it's in the same year, you actually do the opposite. You add. You add 36,540. So you had inventory, no, you had cost of goods sold of 1,517,400. So cost of goods sold, so equals this minus this plus this. Please be right. 1,448,350. So, how does that affect retained earnings? What's the difference between... So, difference is going to be... So, that means that retained earnings... Okay, so cost of goods sold overall was overstated. It was overstated. Retained earnings was 576 300. So since cost of goods sold was overstated, cost of goods sold was overstated. Since cost of goods sold was overstated, that means that your retained earnings was understated. Therefore, you add this amount. Five, 6, 4, 5. 350. I'm going to be wrong. Hate myself. At least I got part of it right. But how is this not right? How is retained earnings not right? I should be right now. Hello? This. I added that to get this. Your retained earnings should be less than what it is. I mean more. Okay, you should have more retained earnings because your cost of goods, okay, your cost of goods sold, this is the correct cost of goods sold. You had originally overstated your cost of goods sold. Your cost of goods sold is less than what you thought. Therefore, you should have more retained earnings. 5, 6, 45, 350. How is this wrong? Come on. How is this wrong? How? So you're the total for both years is correct. If you understate your ending inventory in 2019, your net income in 2019 will be my God, what is going on right now? What is going on? I do not get what is going on. I won't have infinite. D35 minus D38. 5, 576, 300. You add this amount. This equals G36 plus G37. You have more retained earnings. In 2020, your cost of goods sold was overstated. Because your cost of goods sold was overstated, your retained earnings was understated. Therefore, you must add the difference to get to your retained earnings. How does this make any sense? How? How does this not work? This should work. How is this not the answer? 5, 6, 45, 350. Come on. I'm not going to waste an attempt by subtracting instead of adding because I'm almost certain that's not right. I'm going to do each one individually. I don't think it's going to change anything. Okay, so pretends that net income is equal to retained earnings, because it is basically equal to retained earnings if it's your first year. You overstated your ending inventories. Your ending inventories is overstated. So that will result you have your overstated your ending inventories. Meaning it's so complicated. Okay, maybe here's the thing. The effect of the $100,000 error does not affect retained earnings because it was done in 2019, but the 36,001 will affect retained earnings. This 36,001 will affect the retained earnings because according to this, your retained earnings should be correct after 1 year. At 1 year after you make the error. Okay, so what happens if you overstate? What happens if you overstated ending inventory? Okay, according to this, if you overstate ending inventory, you'll have an overstated net income. Since your net income is going to be overstated, that means your retained earnings is going to be overstated. Therefore, you must subtract 36, 540. $5,539. 760. Oh, I finally figured it out. Dude. Okay. Chapter 8, that question took me 23 minutes to figure it out. even though it was the most simple of calculations to get the answer. It was the simplest calculation on earth to get the actual answer. So like this stuff right here was wrong. This was wrong. We'll just get rid of that because it's wrong. This is the correct way to do the question. The entire question consists of all these calculations, and it took me 23 minutes to do it because I had no idea what I was doing because the textbook didn't really explain how to do it. So, dang it. I've now spent a total of 2 hours and 34 minutes on this assignment. This is ridiculous. I may have been screwed if I hadn't gotten out of class early. I don't know. Please be easy. Oh. No, more errors questions? I hate this. I hate these questions. Because I have to, like, think through this every single time. Like, I wish there was a more straightforward thing. I guess there's this thing here, right? That's all you have to do is look at this chart. Thanks a lot, buddy. At least I have an hour and a half to finish this. But, dude, imagine if this takes an hour and a half to do. The net income. There are a bunch of errors. They're just making you type in all this stuff already. Are you kidding me? In 2015, the ending inventory this is so awesome because I'm pretty sure for 2015 you just have to assume that there was no errors because they didn't tell you. You have to just put 0 for both of these. And then we're talking about 2015. This is so blech. Okay, so we're talking about net income, not ending inventory. On January 1st, they don't even know, they'll tell you. They say this is the ending balance of 2015. This is the ending balance. So that doesn't have a difference. 2015, net income. So, do you just put 0 for if it's not? Okay, so if ending inventory is overstated, how does that affect net income? Oh, I love logic. What does this mean? It fails to include some items in ending inventory. Oh, my brain is gonna die. My brain is gonna die. What does this mean? Fails to include some items. If you fail to include some items, that means it's understated. If you fail to include items, it should be higher than it is. That means it's understated. This is the chart for when it's understated. So, since this is the chart for understating it, do the exact opposite of this for overstating. Since this is overstated, do the opposite of what this says. Therefore, net income is overstated. Net income is going to be overstated by 2750. Man, this is so confusing. 2750. So now what you do, 2015 through 2020. Date. No, date. We just want a year. That's all we want is a year. Just the year. That's all we want. That's all we want. Where's just the year? They seriously don't have that? What? You gotta be kidding me. How? They should have it. Why? How about we just do number? Oh, this is just a number, not a date. Oh no, too bad. Please now extend it through 20. Thanks. So what are we trying to do here? 48,100 Okay, so since income is overstated by this, you must subtract it from. You must subtract the number minus 2750. Dude, watch as I do this whole question wrong, and then I have to do the whole thing again. 45,350. Man, if only they didn't have to make you scroll back and forth. Dude, this is confusing everybody. This is so confusing. This is so confusing. Oh. I wish I could check each one individually. The last year's error will actually affect next year too, which sucks. Dude, it affects next year. Okay. Stop! Okay, so the end of the year, it's overstated. At the end of the year, it's overstated. Therefore, at the beginning of next year, it's also overstated. Wait. No. So basically, if it's overstated at the end of the year, in 1 year, that same effect will make it understated in the next year. Does that work? 2750 understated. 2750 is understated. Hate my life. Okay, so another overstatement, 8960. Okay, so the corrected net income. What you're supposed to do is when I had an overstatement, I subtracted it. You subtract overstatement and add understatement. So therefore, you have 5190. So you add understatements. You add the understatement. You add 2750. And you subtract 8960. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. No, that should be correct. You add 2750 and subtract 8960. To do it all over again now, because I deleted it, because I thought I was wrong. 5190. You add understatement of 2750. Subtract 8960. So 43980. An overstatement on December 31st will cause there to be an understatement of 8960. And then, because basically if you understate ending inventory, you understate net income. It has the same effect. So on the year of 52110, it was understated by this amount. Therefore, you're going to have understate 9960. So you add this and subtract this. You have 52110 and then you add 8960 minus 9960. So you have 51110. This is going to be a complete nightmare if I'm doing this wrong. This is going to be... This is all technically for 2 points. Well, actually, not really, because it's weighted. 2 times 10 is 20. Never mind, it is 2 points. All of this work is for 2 points, by the way. Okay. So now that was understated 9960, so now it's overstated 9960. you do the opposite the next year. You do the opposite the next year because that's what it said in the 2018, no error, so you don't add any other error. So overstate 9960. Okay, so what was the amount? 54060. And then since it was overstated, you subtract 9960. Subtract 9960. So therefore, you have 44,100 okay, and then so now you don't have to have anything here, and then we're on the second to last one. It's understated, so you understate 2140. So therefore you do 56040 minus plus 2140. So 58,180. I bet I've done this whole thing wrong. Overstate 2140. And then you overstated, so 7380. And then it's 57,950. Minus 2140 plus, or it's a minus 7380. 7380, right? So you have 48,430. What are you trying to do now? Hello? What is this number? This is simple. What are you supposed to do? Add all these numbers up or what? It doesn't really say. I don't see why you would have to do that. Why do you want to add all of your net income from every year? What? I don't know why they want you to do the total. I don't think that makes any sense, but that's what it seems to be implying. $291,150. Well, this is going to be fun to type all this. $48, 100, 50, 190, 52, 110, 54, 060, 56, 040, and 57, 950. $318, 450. I'm gonna kill my, I'm gonna die if this is wrong. 318, 450. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Watch. It's gonna be all wrong. What? 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 It's interesting how I actually got a lot of stuff right. Weird. Huh. How did I get a bunch of this stuff right? I think I know why. The only one that was wrong for some reason was this. How? Okay, I think I know what's going on here. I think the reason is because they actually don't want these to be switched from what they were originally. Because, wait, what? How does that work? How does that work? Wait a minute. If this is wrong, then how on earth did I get this right? How is this right and this is wrong? What? That is what you would call a piece of... How did that... It doesn't make sense that I'm getting this part right, but I'm getting this part wrong and this part right. How does that work? How does that work? How? I think the reason is because they're just switched. 2750. You know what I'm going to do? Just switch them. 8960 0. I don't care if I 9960 0 2140 0. So I just switched all of those to the exact opposite of what I had it as. Now this is weird. What do I do for that? Okay, so this, we're going to be equals, I hate 52110. add 8960 and add 9960. So 71030. So 311070. Okay, so basically, I was doing something wrong here. I thought you were supposed to switch the last year's one, but you weren't. But again, you do still end up with the same exact computation because if you have an overstatement on the beginning of the year, you actually add it. So I was like accidentally correct. The only reason that one was wrong was because I was an idiot and did it wrong. But yes, we're done. My gosh, that was torture. What? It took me 29 minutes. Okay, 29 minutes felt like an eternity. Dude, what the heck? It took me 3 hours to do the assignment. It took me 3 hours. I would barely, maybe not even have finished the assignment if I had gotten out of class at 6 o'clock. Holy crap. Look at that. Why did that have to take so long? Uh-oh. Wait just a minute here, folks. I think we're still not done yet. The task-based, the test assessment we still have to do. Well, I think this one's going to be easier. I almost forgot about this. Anyways, bye.